Hey guys, welcome to this introduction to drones. Outside the Earth's atmosphere, hurricane affected areas, Antarctica, the entrance of your house. One of these locations is a little more moderate than the others, but that's the idea of drones. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs, are designed to perform a variety of jobs that range from a commonplace to some ultra dangerous ones. These robot like vehicles may be found aiding the rescue of avalanche victims in the Swiss Alps, delivering groceries to your front door, and virtually everywhere else in between. Originally developed for the military and aerospace industries, drones have found their way into the mainstream because of the enhanced levels of safety and efficiency they bring. These robotic UAVs operate without a pilot on board and with different levels of autonomy. Simply put, a drone is an unmanned aircraft, a flying robot that can either be controlled remotely or flown in autonomously. Technically, drones or unmanned aerial vehicles were historically associated with the military, but now drones are used for personal, commercial, industrial, and governmental purposes, including surveillance, weather scanning, search and rescue operations, photography, agricultural monitoring, and commercial deliveries. Drones have even become popular kids' toys. So there are two primary drone platforms, rotor and fixed wing. Rotor drones can have 3, 4, 6, or even 8 rotors or propellers on the frame, while fixed wing drones more resemble airplanes. So the types of drones on the base of structure. Multi-rotor drones. Quadcopters. They have 4 rotors and are most prevalent and commercially available types of multi-rotor or drones in general. Hexacopters, having 6 rotors rotating simultaneously to give more power. Octocopters, having 8 rotors to generate maximum power amongst multirotors but losing efficiency and stability at the same time while doing so. If you've seen small drones in your local park, they're likely multi-rotor drones. These designs have several fans above their compact body. The multiple propellers create powerful lift and give the pilot precise control. The small size and excellent control make multi-rotor drones a great option for aerial photography. They can hover easily and take off vertically too, adding another level of versatility. Downside being all the moving parts consume extra power, draining batteries faster. You'll get less than an hour of flying time from most multi-rotor drones. That makes them best suited for photography and videography. Fixed wing drones. Fixed wing drones look more like conventional planes, requiring a runway or a catapult to launch. They don't have vertical takeoff capability like quadcopters and single-rotor drones, and this unmanned aircraft system can't hover. Single-rotor helicopter drones. These helicopter-style drones combine the best combination of tiny, multi-rotor devices and large single-wing units. Their reliance on rotors helps these devices hover and launch vertically. They tend to be larger than their tiny counterparts, suiting them to carry larger payloads. The lack of multiple motors makes them more efficient than multi-motor models. So the types of drones based on applications. Passive drones. Drones that have the capability to only survey and bring back the observed data to the controller through a chip or wireless transmission. These include videography drones, surveillance drones, and micro recreational drones. Active drones, the types of drones having capabilities which can survey, analyze, and also react to any input signal given by its own or through wireless transmission. These include combat drones, delivery drones, military drones, and passenger drones. The growth of the Internet of Things and integration of drones has created numerous enterprise use cases. For instance, emergency services can survey wildfire areas to determine the extent of damage, and insurance companies can monitor properties for claims and policies. Energy companies can survey power lines and operational equipment, and TV networks can capture flyover footage for news, sports, and traffic. Rapid drone adoption has sparked privacy, security, and safety concerns, and the Government of India has issued a number of guidelines, policies, and restrictions on personal and commercial drone use over the past few years. Mandates to drone operations specify how high, at what time of day, and how far drones can fly, among other restrictions. So now be on the lookout for the next video. Thank you.